real-time entertainment stories from NaijaNews TV. Video shows Wizkid involved in a heated altercation. Social media erupt as viral video shows Afrobeat star Wizkid engage in a heated altercation, sparking widespread reactions online. In the video, Wizkid is visibly annoyed at a passerby, although the reason behind his anger remains unclear. The Joro singer is seen approaching again, but abruptly changes direction to confront the passerby. "Are you still talking to me? Logbe bobo yen wa fun mi. That is, go and bring that boy for me," Wizkid says as he was spotted very angry.
Is he still talking? Are you still talking to me?
Wait, one, handle it instead of just...
Are you still talking to me?
Oh, wait.
Meanwhile, this has sparked a heated debate online, with many Nigerians sharing their thoughts and opinions. A user queried, "Is it not a human being with emotions?" Another user said, "Everybody character on the show small. In other news, Denison Igwe simply reacts to Makenje's $3.7 million Forex loss. Renowned content creator Denison Igwe simply reacts to Makenje's $3.7 million Forex trade loss, sparking curiosity. Recall that in a recent Instagram post, Makenje reflected on 2024, describing it as a tumultuous year due to his $3.7 million Forex trading loss. However, Denison Igwe made a cryptic post about Makenje's revelation via a latest Instagram post. He asserted that lies are widespread and some individuals are worse than the devil. The post reads, "Lies na water, some people are just worse than the devil." NaijaNews recalls that in 2024, Makenje and Denison Igwe were embroiled in a highly publicized feud. The feud erupted after Denison Igwe accused Makenje of exploitation and unfair compensation. Specifically, Denison Igwe alleged that Makenje paid Emanuela, a renowned teen comedian, a major monthly salary of 20,000 naira, despite being part of a crew that raked $160,000 monthly. Also, Baby Naija's Kidwire plans to venture into music. Former Big Brother Naija housemate Tessa Wire, popularly known as Kidwire, has revealed his interest in joining the music industry. Taken to his ex account on Sunday, formerly known as Twitter, the 31-year-old hinted at leveraging his father's wealth to collaborate with top talent in the industry. "Maybe I should enter this music business as well. Popsy is rich, so we go just hire the best of everyone. Make I kuku see wetin sup," he wrote. Kidwire's announcement follows a growing trend of Nigerian reality TV stars transitioning into music after gaining fame. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more entertainment news stories.